Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, St. Joseph Institute of Technology. Would like to extend my warm welcome to all those present here. A competition makes one strive to do better. It trains to seek challenges and to endure setbacks. With this small note, I would like to extend my warm thanks to all the faculty members who have jointly put in their efforts in organizing this event, a virtual technical quiz for mechanical engineering students in association with Master Academy and Academy. In this moment, I would like to take this opportunity to thank our chairman, Dr. B. Babu Magaran sir, our managing director, Mrs. B. Jessipriya ma'am, director, Mr. B. Sasi Sega sir. And I would like to thank Dr. P. Ravichandran sir, who has been the backbone of all the events organized by the Department of Mechanical Engineering. At this moment, I would like to take up this opportunity to thank both our HODs, Dr. K. Arun Vasandageethan sir and Dr. B. Savitri ma'am, for their continuous support and motivation for organizing all the events by the department. It's only due to the efforts of Mr. R. Ranjit Kumar sir and Pradap Singh sir, year coordinators of second and third years, that we are all today on this one platform. If we work together, we can organize various effective curriculars and co-curricular activities, which will help all around the development of a student's personality, and this is our prime aim of today's education. We have all assembled here to encourage, appreciate, and nurture our young talents in the form of virtual quiz competition. As the competition boosts one's talent, skills, and inculcates the qualities and spirits of students. Remember that opportunity knocks at the door of every individual, but the one who recognizes it is the real winner and goes up in the life. So here, every participant is a winner irrespective of the result. So be positive and all the best, guys. Now, I would like to extend my warm welcome to Mr. Satyamurthy and Mr. Vivekanandan, GATE educator from An Academy, for sponsoring this technical event and accepting our invite. With this regards, I request Mr. Satyamurthy, GATE educator from Academy, to give the formal introduction regarding this event and instructions to the students to engage in this technical quiz.
Good evening, sir. Thank you so much. And yes, good evening to one and all present here. And I'm Satyamurthy. Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, Satyamurthy, it's audible.
Okay, sir. I'm Satyamurthy and GATE educator in the Masters Academy and as well as the Unacademy platform. So in order to popularize the Masters Academy as well as the Unacademy, and we are conducting the online quizzes for the GATE aspirants as well as for the college students. So in this part of Masters Academy, we are conducting the two quiz spots, and one from basic mechanical engineering topics, other one from the general aptitude. So today there are two sessions will be conducted with the two different lanes, and one from 4:32 and 5, another one from 5:52 and 5:35, and totally 60-minute quiz for each session, and prize money worth of 1,500, totally 3,000 rupees if minimum 100 participants participated. So the active participants, and if 100 active participants in the quiz, and the prize money will be and 1,500 per each session. And if the participants 300, then the prize money will be and for the each session, and it's 2,500. So totally 5,000. So depending upon the number of active participants. So the active participant means, and the participants who are participating the quiz, the entire quiz completely without any breaking. So here, and the at 4:30 p.m. we are going to start the first quiz through the Unacademy Learning app, and all the participants are requested to be on time in the platform. So the questions will be activated one by one, and you can answer for the questions. There are 4 options, multiple choice questions here. 4 options will be given to the each question, and all the questions are very simple. All the questions from the basic mechanical engineering questions, first session, and it's starting from the engineering mechanics and fluid mechanics, manufacturing engineering, strength of materials, and theory of machines. So from these 5 subjects, very basic questions will be given to you in the part of quiz on basic mechanical engineering topics. And in coming to the general aptitude, and 5.5 to 5.35, again, very simple 15 questions will be given to you. And the active participant means the participants have to participate without any breaking. So while attending the quiz, you should not press the back button or should not break the platform, okay, until end of the quiz up to the 5 p.m. in the first session. After entering to the second session, and you need to stay complete 30 minutes. So then only it will be considered for the things. And after answering a few questions, if you break the link or if you minimize the platform, and again your score will be and counted as 0. Again, whenever you are starting again fresh sessions like in fresh session, so you need to stay complete 30 minutes in the platform, and you need to answer for all the questions. Okay. We are conducting the quiz, and apart from the quiz and Unacademy platform and Masters Academy, we are giving the wonderful learning contents to the GATE aspirants for the other competitive aspirants. And we are giving set of practice questions as well as the preparation materials for the various competitive exams, not only for the GATE and state level competitive exams and TNEB, TRB, and as well as for the bank exams and TNPSC. For these kind of competitive exams, we are giving the study material as well as guidance. And if any aspirants and planning for the PSU jobs as well as state level jobs, then you can prepare through the platform. So we are going to help you in the part of preparation. Okay. And the participants are requested to and be on time for the link. And the session will be started at 4:30 p.m. And you can leave the Google Meet platform at 4:25 and join in the platform, Unacademy platform at 4:30 p.m. So is there any doubt regarding in this part? And participants can ask. You can unmute and ask your doubt.
Guys, if you have any doubts regarding the instructions which were given related to the event, you can just ask.
So the thing, once again, I'm repeating in Tamil also, once you entered into the platform, once 4:30 உள்ள வந்துட்டீங்கன்னா பேக் பட்டன் பிரஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது, பிரேக் பண்ணிடக்கூடாது. கண்டினியூஸா 30 minutes இருக்கணும். 15 question. One more thing, in the 15 questions and depending upon the difficulty level of the question, the timing it will be varied from 1 minute to 2 minutes. So depending upon the question level and on this part. Then and if participants giving and for example, 5 participants giving all the 15 questions correct answer, then the leaderboard it will be considered automatically based on the quick response time. நீங்க எவ்வளவு குயிக்கா ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் பண்ணீங்க क्वेश्चनக்கு ஆன்சருக்கு அப்படிங்கறத பேஸ் பண்ணியும் உங்களுக்கு லீடர் போர்டு வரும். So for the each and every question and all the participants can able to watch the leaderboard also. Okay. ஸோ பிரேக் பண்ணிட்டு வெளியே போயிட்டு அகைன் உள்ள வந்தீங்கன்னா இல்லை மினிமைஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னாவோ நீங்க அட்டன் பண்ண கொஸ்டின்ஸ் எல்லாம் 0 ஆயிரும். அகைன் 0ல இருந்து கவுண்ட் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகும். Is there any doubt regarding this part?
So everyone is having the link in your WhatsApp group. If required, you can post it in this chat box also, so the students can save it.
Yeah, definitely, sir.
Yeah, session 1 and session 2. So guys, so you will be having 2 sessions. Session 1 will be started at 4:30. So 4:30 to 5 o'clock வரைக்கும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லிங்க் இப்போ சார் 2 லிங்க் உங்க கிளாஸ் கவுன்சிலர்ஸ் ஷேர் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப்ல. ஸோ 4:30 செஷனோட லிங்கை நீங்கள் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் செலக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் செஷனோட குவிஸ் நீங்கள் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ண அப்புறம் ஒரு 5 minutes டைம் இருக்கும். ஸோ அந்த 5 minutesல ரெண்டாவது 5 to 5:35 செஷனோட லிங்க்ல நீங்கள் ஜாயின் பண்ணணும், ரைட்? ஸோ now Sarah has joined. Okay, so yes, there's a 2 link posted in the chat box, right? The first link is for session 1 and second is for session 2, right? So attending both the session is compulsory for all the students, right? So the final result will be sent to the department, and all the students who are completing both the session will be sent to the students. So I request all the students to make an active participation in the session, right? Both the session. Satyamurthy, one student is asking if completed all, we can leave that session.
Yeah, definitely, sir. And after completing the first session, and I will, and the platform itself, I am also available in the platform and through the video part. Okay, the platform itself, you can interact with me through the chat also. So after completing the 15 questions, I will intimate you at the end of the session. Completing the first session and close the first session link, and again click the second link, and automatically it will take into the second session. Second session, the one more educator, Vivekanandan, going to handle you the general engineering part, general aptitude part.
Satyamurthy, is it possible to share your screen from laptop when you are in Unacademy app? It will work or it will not?
In Unacademy app?
அதில் லேப்டாப்ல கூகுள் மீட்ல ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்டு நீங்க ஸ்கிரீன் ஷேர் பண்ணிட்டு அப்படியே Unacademyல நீங்க அது பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கும்போது ஹோஸ்ட் பண்ணும்போது நாங்க கூகுள் மீட் மூலமா அது பார்க்க முடியுமா, ஒர்க் ஆகுமான்னு கேக்குறேன்.
இல்ல சார், அது டஃப். ஏன்னா ஆக்சுவலி இது மெர்ஜ் ஆயிரும், ரெண்டும் சேம் டைப் ஆஃப் பிளாட்ஃபார்ம். ஸோ கூகுள் மீட்ல இருக்கும் போதே பண்ண முடியாது சார். So students can join at 4:30 p.m. So you can also monitor the students in the same platform.
Okay.
The name should be, first name should be your name with initial, and last name and your year of study and department, and if possible mention your college name, St. Joseph.
Okay, if anything else, guys, do anyone have any doubts and clarification? Is it mandatory to close Google Meet, or the Google Unacademy app will work when the Google Meet is live?
Yeah, Google Meet, when the Google Meet is live, parallelly it will run in the mobile phone, so you can access parallelly Google Meet as well as Unacademy learning app in the mobile phone.
Okay, then students don't leave the Google Meet, so that if any problem arises, we will be able to assist you. So now, shall we ask the students to get into Unacademy app?
Definitely, sir, but students should not break the link. So once they are entering into the platform, they should not minimize the link. So I think the Google Meet not necessary now. So if it is any doubt, you can the students can directly chat in the chat box itself, in the platform itself.
Okay. So guys, so in session 1 link, Satyamurthy will be available in video mode, and also during in chat. If you have any queries, you can post them. And also, Satyamurthy, if possible, if at the end of the session 1, you just post the session 2 link again in that session 1 itself, or you give a reminder to the students, right?
Yeah,
so
definitely.
Anyways, I think hope all the class counters have posted both the session 1 and session 2 link in your respective WhatsApp group, so students can access that link also.
Yes, definitely, sir.
Fine.
So ask your students to join into the platform. So I'm moving to the Unacademy platform now.
Guys, you can leave the session, right? Please attend both the session. The attendance and email ID will be sent to us to the department to monitor. So I ask all the students to leave Google Meet and join back in Unacademy app.
Hello, Krishna.
Sir, good evening, sir.
இப்போ இதுல நம்மளும் ஜாயின் பண்ணி மானிட்டர் பண்ணலாமாப்பா?
நம்ம ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கலாமா சார்?
என்ன நம்ம
இல்ல ஜாயின் பண்ணி ஜஸ்ட் செல் பண்ணி நம்ம உள்ள போயிரணும். எனக்கு தெரியல, இதான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம். just on the
Yes, sir. So faculty members also can join the session. So the only thing you need to install the Unacademy app, then click that link and come into the session. So you can also monitor that.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
So I request all the class counselors to join in Unacademy app. I request all the class counselors to install Unacademy app, sign up. So it will take only just a 2 minutes sign up process. You complete and join back in Unacademy. Thank you all I thank all the second and third year counselors and your coordinators for their support and time efforts involved in organizing this event. Thank you all. Sir Ranjit sir.